For the Coaster Energy Lab, you'll be going to the following website that's listed on your document. You can either click whichever one of the links will work. They'll both take you to the same website. So if you open up that website, you come to this roller coaster simulation. And this is kind of what the simulation looks like. You can make it bigger by clicking up in the corner here, so it'll be full screen. So if you read through the directions, the first step wants you to just play around with the interactive, see how it works and how it functions. So know how to hit the start, the pause, and the step and reset button. Observe the different tabs at the top, so ramp, loop, and bumps. Also observe the track design. You can be modified by changing and dragging those circles on the screen. So you can modify the track. Same thing on this one. You can modify the track by dragging those circles around. And on this one as well. So play around with the interactive, learn how it works. When you're done, you want to select the ramp button and reset the simulation so it looks like the picture in section 1 here. So you want to click the tab and start the button to observe the motion. You want to view how the bar charts and the velocity values change as the coaster moves. So you want to show kind of the velocity, or look at the velocity down here. And you want to see how these bars, mechanical energy, kinetic energy, and potential energy move as the coaster goes down the track. So let's hit start. And so you see that the bars move. So you're going to answer the questions then based on that simulation by filling in the blanks here on your sheet. You also will want to label the locations on our graphic here on the side. So don't forget to label the picture. For section 2, you're going to open up the bumps tab at the top of the interactive, and then you're going to drag the circles so that they match the picture. Now pay careful attention to where the circles are in relation to the grid. Okay, because if you note, dot G is not at the same height as dot E. So make sure you're paying really close attention to how those circles are with the background grid. So that's under the bumps tab, and you're going to move these dots around, paying close attention to where these dots fall on that blue grid background. Now you want to match it to the picture shown on your sheet. Then you're going to run the simulation and answer the questions based on that. When you're all done, you can turn this assignment in.